Alright, so what is good, everybody on YouTube? This is of course your boy B, Bullet RC, coming to you guys again with yet another video. And today, man, when I tell y'all a huge box of blessings hit the door, a surprise box of blessings hit the door, I mean a huge box. This is the box that hit my door. I don't know if y'all can actually tell how big this box is, but I don't even know who sent it. But I didn't even recognize the actual shipper. Of course, I tore that off, but I don't know. It was just a surprise big box at my door, and I said, you know what? It's Thursday. Happy Thursday to everybody. Let's just go ahead and unbox it and see what's going on, because I got other videos I'm working on. Another big unboxing, a clothing haul video, probably heater hype. I want to fit in a sneaker rotation in there somewhere, but there's only so many days out of the week. So let me go ahead and get this big guy, this big box out of the way. So I don't have a little table, but you already know what time it is, man. It's time for an old school type unboxing. Let's get into it. So like I said, bro, this box hit the door earlier today. I actually had some other shoes hit the door today, but that's going to be in another unboxing. I gotta say shouts out to the Twitter fan for helping me get those. But nice and easy, we are already through the box. And let's go ahead and peel the top off this joint and see what exactly is on the inside of this. Nothing. It says nothing. So let's get it out. You guys can obviously see it's a lot of green. We got a lot of bubble wrap in this one. So yeah, probably the easiest way to take this out is flip it over and then toss that over there, toss that over there, and here is the box, and we got a couple messages actually on the top. So this is what I'm seeing right now. Please remove the contents out of the box before unwrapping. Peel tape here to open, peel tape here to open. So let's go ahead and peel this stuff off and see. Wow, okay. It's a lot going on here. My name is on the package. It's a lot going on in this box, and as you guys can see, it is a special package from Champs Sports with my name on the front. Yes, personalized, even has the shoelaces on the front. This is a crazy looking box. On the back it says hashtag refresh the game. I see a few people on here. The one that I do recognize is Ben Simmons. Ben Simmons is on the box, and it's just like a collage on both sides. So y'all can see like around the box, that's one side, refresh the game on the back, and then the other side with the other collage, as you can see. And then the top, once again, refresh the game with Champs Sports logos. This is a crazy looking box, and then the front, the money shot, my name is actually on it, and it has some things hanging right here on the front. So I'm assuming it could be an Huarache, or it could be an Air Force One. Maybe one of these. Or it could be an Air Max 270. Or it could be an Air Max 1. So I don't know, we got a lot of options here. There's a lot of stuff going on. So using a little innovation, and by innovation I mean stacking boxes on top of each other, let's go ahead and get into this package and see exactly what's in there. New season, new vibes, get right, just do it. And that was with all the different sneakers right here on this keychain. Now, let's go ahead and peel this box open. Another collage on the front of this thing, and let's go ahead and peel this out. Y'all already know Champs be having some of the craziest like media kits to send out, and this is just another one to add onto the list. So if we take this off the top, we got a hoodie. Oh, okay. Matter of fact, let me go ahead and put this up here, and we can just go ahead and take everything out the box. So first off, we got this hoodie, and I'm not gonna lie, Nike, y'all jugging Virgil a little bit, okay, or a lot of bit. Nike said, yo, Virgil, we need to sign you a little bit, get some money off you, and we need to steal some of that off-white sauce. And y'all can see that all over this Just Do It hoodie. It's still a clean hoodie, but obviously Nike, especially some of the other ones, y'all definitely got some Virgil sauce on these joints right here. Some off-white sauce was borrowed for some of this stuff. But Nike Just Do It hoodie, appreciate the hoodies, because hoodie season is upon us. It is on the way. Throw that over the shoulder, and let's see what else we got here. Refresh the game, Champs Sports once again. And what is under here? Y'all know we used to guess shoes. I'm assuming it's gonna be a shoe in here, so let me just see. This is a 270, bro. That bubble is thick on the back. This is a 270. And we got the all white and orange 270s. And just so y'all can actually see what it looked like before I went ahead and peeled them out, this is what the shoes look like. If I can get them back down in there, this is what they look like on the bottom of the box. But yes, the all white and orange Air Max 270s. You guys know I'm a fan of the Air Max 270s, and I actually really wanted a white pair of 270s other than my Dusty Cactus or the menthol joints. So these white orange ones, appreciate it. Thank you, champs. Y'all know I've already talked about this shoe. Is on some of my top lists for spring and summer, for back to school. It's just a good shoe at 150, and I definitely recommend it. But yeah, this is like the Just Do It colorway, white, black, and orange. You got white, black, and orange on this other one as well. And I think that is going to conclude today's unboxing. So a really wild package, champs. Thank you once again, as always, for showing the kids some love. And that's it, bruh. New hoodie, new Air Maxes, crazy new boxes. They're somewhere in the studio, and that is going to be a wrap, man. So much love to all the fam, followers, and of course supporters. You guys can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, SoundCloud, Snapchat. The Snapchat is bull.cb, by the way. Here, there, Blessed by, of course. Hold on, I do have them right here. Bullet RC, and I will see y'all in the next video. Yes, I almost knocked over this whole stack. Much love, y'all be easy. I will see y'all in the next one. New videos on the way. I am out of here. Peace.
The devil thought he had me, I was on back burners. Moonwalking fast, y'all respect my journey. Evil tapping in like the feds is watching. No album, no dope, I was all out of options. I'd rather rob than get a job.